So we use a Stenner pump mounted on the 10-gallon tank to inject the bleach mixture into our water treatment, which we have right over here. And we have the 85 MHP model. So today I'm going to change the number 2 tube that goes inside. It's been about 6 months, so it's about time to change it. I just don't want it getting a crack in it and then I come down and there's just water, everywhere. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you the easy way to do this. We are running a 110 unit, which we have plugged into our pressure switch there. It's just a easy in and out, just wall plug. So that's the way we got it wired. We don't have the 220 kind, which makes it easier. I can just pop this whole thing off, take it to an outlet, and turn it on, make it easy on myself. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. I'm going to go ahead and pop this off. And then we have the 4 screws, 2 on each side to take off. And then I will take these off as well. Pop those 2 off, and then I can just lift the whole thing out and then take it to the workbench. Now the injector, we recently changed, but that's pretty easy as well. All I do for that is I just hit a shut off. You should have one right before yours. And then I got one right to the right and then to the left right there. So I just pop those off and then unthread this and pop the new one in. So now I can just pop this whole thing off. And take it over. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these 2 clips here. And then the shell comes off right there. And it can be a little tricky, so you got to work with it. But I'm going to go ahead and plug this in right here. And you got to just kind of pull it out as it goes. So taking it out is easy. Now we got the new one. It's not as stretched out. So it's going to take a little time. We got to kind of work with it. Just watch your fingers. You don't want to get pinched here. So I slide the one in, and then it's going to catch, and you got to kind of push it down and around. And then pull as it goes almost through. And then you're in. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug that now. And then pop the cover back on. And then pop the 2 clips on. So probably 90 seconds, not too hard. So I went ahead and just screwed those 4 screws back in. I tightened the in and out tube here. And I'm going to turn on the water and let the pressure pop on so this Stenner pump kicks on. And then we'll just test for leaks, but we should be good. So all in all, not too hard. Only takes a few minutes. So just remember to turn on the switch on top. Just make sure it's on the on position. So hope that helps and have a good one.